Hello, for today we're going to be doing a comic strip or a storyboard using similes and metaphors. The first thing you could get either a line paper or a piece of white paper. You're going to fold it in fourths. Okay. I'm going to number them. I'll have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So the first thing I'm going to label them as well. So I'm going to write right here metaphor. Right here 2, metaphor. And then on the bottom box, simile. So we're learning this week to use figurative language to make our writing more interesting. So this week we focus on metaphor and similes. My first sentence would be, Jesus had a heart of gold because he helped everyone. So I'm going to underline it, heart of gold. And by using that phrase, heart of gold, I'm saying that he is very good and generous. Okay? So you could picture it, that Jesus was a generous person. And then I'm going to draw a little picture here on the bottom. I'm going to draw Jesus. And again, your pictures, your drawings don't have to be perfect, but do take your time. And then right here, Jesus helping people, talking to them. Now, the second one, number 2, I am my mom's apple of her eye. And by using that phrase means that I am very important to her. So when you hear someone saying that, that means that that person is very, very important to them. Again, draw a little picture. Okay. Now, for the simile, we're going to be using like or as. So my first one would be, I read as slow as a snail. Period. as slow as a snail. And by using that phrase, that means that I read extremely slow. So when you hear the phrase as slow as a snail, means to be extremely, extremely slow. Okay. So in this case, since I said I read as slow as a snail, that means I'm an extremely slow reader. So I'm going to draw myself right here with the little book. Taking my time reading it. Okay, the fourth one. In church, we have to be as quiet as a mouse. And by using that phrase, as quiet as a mouse, it means to be extremely, extremely quiet. Doesn't mean that you're a mouse. It means that you are being extremely quiet. So again, I'm going to draw my little illustration, my picture. Right here, the pews, right here, people praying, people being quiet. So that's my church. Okay. Okay. So again, the first two are my metaphors and the last two are my similes. And remember that when we are using similes, we use the word like or as. And you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye.